Hey, welcome to our channel. My name is Teija and today we are doing core workout with an exercise ball. Are you ready? Let's start right away. Check that you have a good posture, chest lifted, knees a little bit soft. Now activate your belly. That's the most important during this whole class. You are working with your core. Let's start to do rotations. Squeeze as well with your arms, so squeeze the ball. And now check that you are not just swaying your pelvis. So lock the pelvis, and now we work with our abs. Keep your shoulders down, don't lift your shoulders up. Remember, inhale and exhale. Do you start to feel that you are working with your abs? Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. That was our first exercise. So sit on a ball and roll forward. If you haven't worked out a lot with an exercise ball, don't get nervous today if the ball is running away, so just be patient. It will work out eventually. So let's go here down and now really activate your abs. Inhale and exhale and go high up. Stop. Inhale and go down. Now I really work, activate my core, activate my abs. I try to go high up and it'll stop. 2 more. And slowly down, resist. Great. So, next exercise is a little bit more for the back, but of course our core is as well activated. I'm gonna show it this now from the side position. So shoulders down and lift opposite arm and leg up, and really now here activate your glute, give the balance, control the movement. Check here that you keep the shoulder down. Balance. And check that your neck is not hanging, your head is not hanging. So check the posture during this whole training. Body posture. Four more. Great. Then we have a little break, but we are still continuing exercising our back muscles. So we are just doing a simple back extension on a ball. I'm still staying in this side position, so you see better. You see me better what I'm up to. So check that your toes are on the ground, on the floor, and then exhale and go up, slowly down. exhale. Check that your neck is straight. If you have problems with the balancing, you can go here more back. Then just the range of movement is a little bit shorter, smaller. Again, concentrate to your techniques. Even I am a small person, I like to use this big exercise ball. I really prefer that. Today my ball is not that full, so it's a little bit easier to handle. If your exercise ball is really pumped up very hard, it's a little bit more challenging. Great. Next we have something for the abs and surprise, as this is a core training, and the inner thighs have to work as well. So what are we gonna do? This is a little bit easier option if you have your hands here straight. So squeeze your legs when you go up, touch the ball and go slowly down. Exhale, in. If that is too easy for you, you can as well cross your arms on your chest. Five more. Go slowly down. 3, 2, and squeeze your legs. Last one, and resist down. Great. Then next exercise is a bit more challenging. So we are doing planking on a ball, or our legs are on the ball. I'm gonna show you two different kind of options. So always when you work with the ball in this position, so if we do planking here, it is quite easy. But if we are staying on our feet on a ball, it's a bit more challenging. So choose the perfect option for your fitness level, because this shouldn't happen here. This is the worst thing what's happening. So you should be very straight. Are you ready to start? Let's start now. Inhale and exhale. If it's too easy, then challenge. Check that you have good support from your shoulder blades, that you are not hanging here. You are straight, glutes are activated. Inhale, exhale. How is it going? Are you suffering? Now you should really feel that your abs are working. Let's do a little bit longer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Great job. You can go and lie on a ball and a little bit stretch your belly, stretch your abs. We have few more movements to go. So we go to the same position where we started our planking. And then we are bringing our knees under our belly. Great. Are you ready? You can quickly check what I'm doing. So, plank position. Bring your knees under your belly and bring it back. And check here again that you are straight. If this is too challenging, stay further on a ball. Are you ready? Remember, inhale and exhale. If you feel that you are losing your ball, don't worry, don't give up. 2 more. Great. Then we have one more thing for the obliques. So, where we started, lying on a ball. And inhale and exhale and rotate. Now we make our obliques to work. So here, really squeeze. Inhale, exhale. Have a little squeeze there up. Really activate your obliques. Make them work. Are you still there? I feel you are doing a great job. Let's do 4 more. 1, squeeze, slowly down. 2. Last one. Great job. And relax. Relax your belly, relax your back. Little stretch. Be free to as well move around on a ball. I'm gonna put my legs straight as well. So I really have a nice stretch. If you're a beginner, start slowly. As well, be a bit careful, check that you have enough space, that you are not hitting your head to the shelf. Then roll down and relax your back on a ball. Relax here your lower back. That was our simple core workout. If it was too easy for you, you can of course repeat this video 2 times. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you felt your abs were working. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.